Whoa! The sun is on fire today! Even a hat can't save me! But what does help is my imagination. Sunbathing on the beach is nice, but be careful of the sun. We need to get shade immediately. But how? We are out of water. The beach is turning into torture. Maybe the sea can help. But there are also obstacles, which can be turned into advantages. Carrie and Emily know what to do. These 3 sticks will be great supports for a tent, and we can make the roof from dense fabric. Put the sticks in the sand like this. Now you'll need a rope and some skewers. Connect the sticks to form this shape. Put the piece of fabric on top. Stretch it and secure it with skewers. Okay, you can hide now. This cozy tent will always protect you from sunburns. If I could become a mermaid with a beautiful, shiny tail, that would be a dream come true. And Nikki knows how to make it happen. Look! We are going to need a piece of thick plastic, a paper stencil of a mermaid tail, and water shoes. Go over the contour of the paper stencil. Cut it out. Make 2 identical parts. Hot glue them together. Connect the shoes to each other using plastic ties. Then hot glue them onto the plastic. Now take a piece of shiny fabric with sequins and decorate the tail. Now, new fashion accessory in the water. It's dazzling! This bright mermaid tail is way better than any old flippers. Take a break from swimming to have a snack. Eating on the beach is a must, but it's hard to make Nikki come out of the water. She really loves swimming. By the way, why don't you take a picture of me underwater with this jar? Oh, there's an idea! And a jar of snacks turns into a container for underwater photography. Put the phone inside and go do a photo shoot. Now you don't need any special gadgets to take an underwater photo. All you have to do is put your hand in the jar with the phone. You'll get a fun, bubbly photo shoot. If you leave ice cream in the hot sun, you are going to be very disappointed. Well, if life gives you melted ice cream, make it a milkshake. Just pour the ice cream into a plastic cup. Oh, a bar of chocolate melted too! It's so hot today! Fine, let's make the drinks taste even better. What a great topping! Now let's get some straws. Here's to a wonderful vacation! Wow, there are so many people on the beach! But finding a good spot is only half the work. We still have to deal with the towel, which is always trying to fly away with the wind. To avoid this situation, try Emily's life hack. You'll need a beach towel. And also, pieces of foil insulation. Let's unfold the towel and put 3 pieces of insulation on it. Let's apply hot glue and attach the insulation. Fold it like this and take a thick rope. Fasten it on both sides of the mat to get handles. Your portable beach mat is ready. Comfortable and easy. Except Nikki doesn't look very happy. Since compared to Emily's soft sunbed, her normal towel is super uncomfortable. If you missed a spot, it can be upsetting. I have just a little bit of armpit hair sticking out. But there is no way to remove it right on the beach. Come on, it doesn't matter. No way! Emily has an emergency life hack. Waxing with hard candy. It may not feel very nice, but the hair is gone. By the way, don't forget to do the same thing with the other armpit. Thanks for the help. Another beach problem. A hat that flies away all the time. If you are tired of chasing it constantly, This idea will definitely help. Take 2 strong ribbons and a needle and thread. You can find anything in my purse. Sew the ribbons to the inner lining of the hat. Now the ties won't let it escape. Well, now it's not just a hat, it's a fashion statement. Walk, walk, fashion, baby! Drinking warm soda, it's not that nice. It's way better when you have a freezer bag with you. It'll keep your drinks at the right temperature, even on the beach. To make this useful device, you'll need a big round container. Take off the lid. Go over it with a marker on a piece of foil insulation. Cut it out. Prepare 2 circles. Put one of them at the bottom of the container and wrap the walls with a rectangular piece of insulation. Hot glue it in. Stick a circle of insulation to the lid. It's done! Close it and fasten a handle made out of a belt strap. The thermal bag is ready! To keep your favorite drinks cool, put some ice in the container. Perfect temperature! So refreshing! You get out of the water, and all the seaweed in the world is in your hair! After that, you want to wash up properly. How about a shower? Sounds great! Let's make one from stuff we have already got. Take a large bottle of water and an awl. Make holes in the plastic. The shower is almost ready. All you have to do is use your friend's help. That's wonderful! It's so nice to wash off all the seaweed and sand. A lot of people like swimming on a floating mattress in the sea. But nobody likes to deflate it. This is the worst thing ever! Hey, Carrie! Stop torturing yourself! Just use a binder clip. Clip it onto the mattress valve, and the air will come out of the mattress by itself. The binder clip really works! The mattress shrinks in seconds! Snorkeling is very interesting. There are so many things you can see underwater. But there is one issue. Sweaty glasses! Oh no! My view of the aquatic world is getting foggy. Carrie's looking for something to wipe the mask with. Although, I have a better idea. Apply some shaving foam to the inside of the glasses and wipe them dry. You can go back to diving. Whoa! It's so HD! I can see everything! Why are you just sitting there? Let's go for a swim! The water's great! That's a good idea, but I can't leave my things unattended. I have money here, you know? Let's get creative. A hairbrush can be a great hiding place. Take the top with the bristles off and put money inside. Close it up. It's done! You can relax in peace and lie down in the waves. Woohoo! It looks like a regular hairbrush. Who's going to want to take it? If you really use your imagination, you can make anything on the beach into something fun. Even the tube of Elmer's glue. Why not do a little bit of glue henna? Here you go! I think it's going pretty well. A little imagination, precision, and patience. It's done! And then let the sun do the rest. The longer you stay in the sun, the more beautiful the drawing will be. A short photo session to memorialize it. Just be sure you wear sunscreen. Speaking of photo shoots, you can't impress anyone with normal pictures of the sea. If you want to get really bright shots, use mirrored glasses. Put the glasses right on the sand or pebbles. Stand so you reflect in the glasses. And now, start posing. It's unique, right? And very stylish. Oh yeah! All the pictures turned out amazing! The side effect of tanning is peeling skin. That's not great. Ooh, it's itchy! But Nikki knows what to do. You'll need a regular sock. Fill it with sand. And using the sock as a washcloth, remove the peeling skin. Okay, now that's way better. It's a great homemade exfoliation tool! Did you like our summer life hacks? How's your summer going? Can you go to the beach? Tell us in the comments! And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss more bright ideas for summer from Troom Select!